How to create and share guides in Maps on iPhone. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open Maps on your device first and tap on the location you want to create and share guides in Maps. For instance, I want to save and share this location here, so tap on the location option and you will see the option for more. Tap on that and now tap on Add to Guides. You will see all the places you have saved as guides here. Tap on New Guide option you see there and then name the guide. You can add image if you want from your camera roll. Once done, tap on Create and with this your guide will be created. Now in order to share, tap on the search bar you see there and swipe all the way up. You will see the guides we saved earlier under My Guides. Tap on that and now swipe towards the left and you will see the option for share. Tap on that and go ahead and share with anyone on any social media platform. I will share in WhatsApp. You can see the link is posted here and after tapping on send, the guide will be shared. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.